Yo, what's up, guys? Pancho! Hi, guys! No, how do you want to sound, Pancho? Hi, guys. What are you guys doing? You don't even care, Pancho. What's up, guys? Today I think I'm at my mom's. I'm gonna film. I think my stepdad's gonna put a starter on the motorcycle, and we're gonna do that. Hey, what's up, guys? We're gonna start the starter. It's like right here. I'm gonna do it in here because it's too damn hot, but it's right here. It's super easy to get to. I just gotta move all this stuff out of the way. Just show this bolt right here. That's probably gonna be. I gotta unhook the battery too, right?
No.
No? I guess it's a metric bolt. Well, I don't know. No, it's a 10 mil. Japanese. It's probably gonna be a 10. It's a 10. That is redonkulous. These two right here, guys. I'm trying to get right now. Towards up. Trying to also do it where you guys can see. Ow! That's broken. Didn't you say you needed a battery for this too? Oh shit. You already got a battery for it, guys. Hell yeah. Alright then, I guess. Would I just pull it out? Never done it before. That's why I couldn't. Is that it? I guess that's fucking it. There's no like synchro with the gears or nothing like that. Just pull it out.
Pull it out.
Alright then. too. I think I need a hammer, huh? Oh, sorry, ain't gonna come out. Use the twister. Easy to break. Shit. I need a hammer. Where's the hammer at? Ain't no hammer in here? It's on there. I need to tap it out. Like, something's holding it inside the gear. Guys already took it out. You just need muscle. You can't be a little pussy about it. You gotta pull it out hard. You gotta pull in, you gotta pull the gear. Let's see. Let's put this other one in there. Just like that. Just like that, guys. Just push it in. You gotta get the teeth in there. Make sure the teeth line up with the starter. That's another thing too. The only thing now, guys, is getting it lined up with the teeth inside. So that's the only thing that's going to be hard. This thing really fucks me up. There you go, guys. Just like that. It just actually pops in there. I'm just tying it up. This one. Right there's good. And that's it has a new bolt for the starter. Here. You don't need to be hitting it with no hammer, guys. You just pop it out. It's just simple as that. It might be hard, but you don't need to be popping it, hitting it with no hammer or nothing, taking it out. Where the hell did that bolt go? This is also a 10 mil too. I was using the when you do it like that, guys, make sure you don't do it too hard, because then you can't cover it because it'll pinch this rubber seal. So you just gotta do it nice and soft. Yeah, just be careful, guys, how you put that on there, because you can rip it. But it went on. Man, that was a fucker. I did that one good. It should be tight enough. Oh yeah. Hell yeah. Go to my cousins and we're gonna see. I'll give you guys an update on the Camaro. Damn, I thought he fucking drives that bitch hard too, bro. He fucking drives that motherfucker hard, guys. He does wheelies on that dirt bike too, guys. It's fucking crazy. Fucking madman. It's a savage, Pancho. You wanna go out? Come on, boy. Oh, why are you out, Pancho? Get back inside. Better get back inside. Go back inside. Pancho. Pancho. Only because I'm out here. He listens, guys. Sometimes he'll sneak out, guys. And I'll call him and he'll be waiting at the door. Yeah, guys, like I was saying, I think I'm going to go to my cousin's and see if he wants to do anything on the car. I think he was going to mess with something. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Decided to come to Harbor Freight, guys, and my cousin's going to get a Gus. He's going to get a Gus gun. He's gonna get a grease gun for the ball joints and for his. What are you gonna use the grease gun for?
The tie rods.
Oh, that's what I'm gonna use it for too. Ooh, that's a nice fucking Chevy, bro. Ooh, look at all these tools, bro. Look at all that. Ooh, this is where they're at, or what? The grease gun? Oh, you're in the wrong aisle, bro. Oh yeah, Haggard, where you at? Old school, when these shit, they still did it. Ooh, 99 cents. $5, machete. Grease gun, hardware, automotive. Wow, look at, they have even this stuff in it. Oh, it's pricey.
We went for the
look, there's the grease. Look at this little badass one. Dude, this is what I need. You want that big one? Look at this one. This one's badass.
This one's $14. Yeah, make those are two different.
Where's this one at? Oh, it's $10. Yeah? Ooh, I want to get the flex hose. I know you too. You should. Oh, it does come on the flex hose.
Yeah, so does this one. Yeah.
What sizes? Do you know what sizes is the hole?
That I don't.
It's the Pamster.
Yeah, well.
Hey, Pamsters. We're gonna get that one, cuz. What's up, guys? My cousin got the engine stand, right? Now we're assembling it. All the little tires for the wheels. So we're gonna put it together. Hey, what's up, guys? My cousin just just set it up, guys. I think he's in a couple weeks he's gonna put the motor he just put it together. He's gonna put this motor on it that's sitting there. Matter of fact, I gotta see it more. It's a V8. Aaron, what size is this motor? 350. The 350, guys. So that's what he's gonna put right now. It's pretty nice.